Hello, I'm Felipe Perez and welcome to my channel Felper's Technology, the channel where you will find a wide variety of tutorials related to technology. The goal for today is to install a virtualization software. If you are just entering the world of virtualization, I recommend a video that I made previously, and there you will see the basics, and if you have already seen it or you have some experience, let's continue with this tutorial. First, I want to tell you that there is several virtualization softwares such as Citrix, VMware, VirtualBox, and many more that you can use to virtualize. For example, you can virtualize machines, applications, servers, networks, databases, and more. For this tutorial, I'm going to use VirtualBox, which is from Oracle and has a version that is free, so we can download it from the internet and use it for this practice. Not all applications are free, but there are some of them that have trial version and you can use them to test and learn. As always, say no to piracy, please. It's better to buy the software because that way you have all the advantages such as the manufacturer's support and its updates, among other things. So this tutorial is totally for learning and I disclaim any responsibility for the software use. Let's start with the lesson. To install VirtualBox, first we have to open our internet browser. In my case, I will open Google Chrome. Once you are here, type VirtualBox. Now select the link that says virtualbox.org and it takes us to the official page of VirtualBox. Here click on the large blue download box. On the download page we select the software we need. In my case, I'm going to select the version for Windows, but you can select the one you require for your operating system. Let me click on Windows Host and wait for it to download. In my browser, it allows me to see the status of the download on the bar at the bottom on the left side. Let me pull down the download menu and select Show in Folder. On the setup, I right click and select Run as Administrator, preferably. This is just the welcome screen to the setup wizard. So in this screen you can select the path where you want to install the software. I won't change it, and all this as well I leave as they are, and click next. And here we have a warning for the network interfaces, so no problem, I will proceed with the installation now. As well, for this screen is just a dependency, but no problem, you can as well proceed with the installation, clicking in yes and click install to proceed with the installation. Okay, now our installation is complete, and click finish and it will open the application immediately. And here we are. Oracle VM VirtualBox Administrator is here. This is our application, and here is where we are going to create our virtual machines. And to see how to create the virtual machine, I will create another video where we are going to be working creating virtual machines. Thanks for being here in this video, and I'll see you in my next video where we are going to be working only creating virtual machines. I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.